Hi, my name is Weldon Taylor. I'm a sales and leasing consultant here at Hyeward Allen Toyota in Athens, Georgia. Wanted to show you this beautiful vehicle here. This is a 2018 Toyota Corolla LE slate in color, kind of a bluish gray. One of the safest vehicles, one of the more popular vehicles on the market right now is the Toyota Corolla. You do have your 40-60 split as far as your seats going down. Now this one does come with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure as well as the ash color interior, power locks and windows and mirrors, controls on the steering wheel for your Bluetooth as well as your radio, your cruise controls right there as well, CD player, climate control, you have your cup holders there, your traction button there as well. Here at Hyeward Allen, we guarantee you a great price with a seamless auto buying experience. Once again, my name is Weldon Taylor. I'm a sales and leasing consultant here. This vehicle has right at a little over 51,000 miles, but it's one owner, been maintained very well, clean Carfax as well. So this vehicle is waiting on the next customer to come and get it. Check us out, HeywardAllenToyota.com.